Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Me and You on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with your Capo on 4. The 4 chords you'll need are G, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3, 2, open, 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 3, 3, open, 2, 2, open, 3, 3, and X, 3, 2, open, 3, 3. Throughout the whole song, you're going to keep your ring and your pinky finger planted on the 3rd fret like that. When you play that last chord, you can mute it with you can mute the E string with your thumb up here. Or you can just like use your middle finger to kind of hit it underneath. I like to just put my thumb up. Sound like so mute. Strumming pattern is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. My life is brilliant, my love is pure. I saw an angel of Adam Shore, following me at the subway. He was with another man.